So as you guys can see, the neck plate, it's green outlining, but underneath, so say I raise this up, so see, you see all those lights, and that's what it looks like on the inside of the mask. And so this part is getting the neck area, and even though I have the wires, I actually should have put this on the opposite side of the face. The wires shouldn't be right there on the neck, but this is just showing you for our little intents and purposes. So she can still breathe, she can still see outside, she has a little nose hole, the mouth hole, and the eyes. So underneath the head, those lights as well. So let's go to another color. So remember, blue's for acne. It kills those P. acnes, those bacteria. And so does the purple bacteria as well, without the P. acnes. P. acnes specifically are attracted by the blue light. Then bacteria, which lingers in the air, mold, spores, and fungus, and all the other good stuff, is attracted by purple light. Can we go to another color? So we have green again. I just did green. Oh, there's the purple. Remember bacteria. Then you have your blinking effects. After a while, you can leave it. It's just pulsating. And those are your levels of light. And back to your red. And then now it just changes different colors. You have different modes. So if somebody comes in with, they have a multitude of problems. Acne, scars, marks, inflammation. They just had post-surgery. You kind of want to put it on the different color modes. So what does it look like when the lights are turned off? Because that's when I would really use it, and it's the best way to use it. So right, so you see how it could change? It's like going from bright red, bright green, lower green, bright green, lower blue, bright blue, just changing colors back and forth. And again, for that neck area, so remember, if somebody has that turkey giblet, that little gobble, that little thin piece of skin, this little piece right here is for the neck. And so you just lower it down, and it takes care of the neck area. And this is how it works. So you sit here in the darkness for about 5-10 minutes, take a siesta, a nap, and then you're good to go. I had to get a full aerial view of the mask. Okay, we're doing good. All right.